This South African musician won the Song of the Year behind bars. His name is Lelo Honolo Cattle Go Chalk, known as Shebeshxta. He was born March 1995, making him 31 years old as of 2026, and he lives with his 9-year-old daughter. So in December 2023, Sheb signed a contract deal of 100,000 rands to come and perform in Botswana. And they send money in Sheb's bank account. Now Sheb have lot of money in his bank account, and he's thinking not to attend at Botswana event, and he didn't attend for real, and then bam. He got arrested for breaching a performance contract. He got out after few months. And then bam, he got arrested again for assault, discharging a firearm and attempted murder. They released him after 4 months, with firearm charges later dropped. A year goes by. In 2024, Sheb and his daughter, they was in the car heading to a concert in Limpopo province, and they were involved in a car accident where his daughter died. Here a picture of Sheb in real life and him with his daughter. So now is a year 2025, October. He got arrested for allegedly firing shots at a motorist in Ladana, injuring a man. They charged him with 2 counts of attempted murder. And his song won the top 3 on Song of the Year for 2025, but him behind bars. If you make it until here, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. By doing that you help a channel to grow. Be with us on our journey to 1,000 subscribers.